gray-blue, green, sometimes yellow patches that grow on trees and rocks. Lichen are symbiotic organisms, meaning that they are not one, but multiple creatures living in one body. Lichen are composed of fungi and algae, but they resemble neither of the organisms that define them. A symbiotic relationship like this develops when living together is safer or more productive than living apart. Imagine a medieval feudal system. In the feudal world of the lichen, the fungi are the walls, knights, and king protecting the algae from their harsh environment, providing them with adequate water, and giving them the nutrients they need. The algae are peasants. They make sugar for themselves and the fungi using the nutrients the fungi gives them and the sun in a process called photosynthesis. The fungi need the algae to make their food because they are not photosynthetic, and in this castle, taxes are high. The fungi takes the majority of the algae's food. In order to facilitate this exchange, the fungus punctures the algae with tubular appendages, killing some of the algal cells in the process. When the lichen have gathered enough food, they develop reproductive structures to spread and build new castles. The fungi can make little bundles containing some algal cells to be dispersed by wind, or thin outgrowths that are simply broken off. This vegetative reproduction requires only one organism to accomplish. If, on the other hand, two fungi were to meet, they could perform sexual reproduction to create spores. In this case, the fungi make cups that spread the spores by their lonesome using wind or water. With sexual reproduction, the fungal spores need to find new algae to settle. Sometimes they find only barren rock, dead soil, or the ocean, but when they do find a suitable alga, they quickly re-establish the feudal pecking order. In 2008, the European Space Agency took lichen, along with several other organisms, to the International Space Station. They were exposed to the full onslaught of extreme temperature fluctuations, solar radiation, and the vacuum of space. After 15 quiet, lonely days, the organisms were brought back home to Earth's surface. The lichen then woke from its hibernation and started growing and reproducing. This kind of resilience is extraordinary. The algae and fungi both survived and continued to live together successfully after their stay in space.